I decided today that I'm going to make my own deep conditioner because I need to wash my hair. Well, honestly, I have some bananas that are gonna go bad. And then I also have this, I think it's shea butter. I need to go look downstairs that somebody gave me. And I have some like agave. So I have some things that I want to put together and put it in my hair. So let's go downstairs and see what we can find. So I'm gonna use a banana. Maybe I'll make some banana bread too. I have some of this 100% blue agave, blueberry, yum. So this is a ginormous tub of shea butter by Mountain Rose Herbs, and it is unrefined and organic. And I just got this whole tub for free and I haven't even utilized it. What else do people put in their hair? It's peanut butter, I think. I have some apple cider vinegar. I also have this Indian healing clay by Aztec Secret. 100% natural calcium bentonite green clay. I'm gonna put some red wine in it because I feel like the doctor says that you should drink like 1 glass of red wine a day or something like that. I have half of an avocado, but I'm fat and I want to eat this for lunch, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna heat up some of the shea butter. So I'd say I probably did like a 1/4 cup of the shea butter. And then I did 30 seconds, so it's still like, I don't want it completely melted. It's just like softened. And I'm gonna mash up the banana. Apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do 3 capfuls. Blueberry agave, 3 squirts. I think cinnamon is like an antioxidant, so I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I think I'm gonna microwave it just a little bit more. Eso. There we go. I'm gonna add the Indian healing clay by Aztec Secret and just, you know, like a spoonful of this. Oh, our splash of red wine. Last thing I'm gonna add actually is some essential oils, because I can't even lie, this smells like booty. Eucalyptus, which is also by Mountain Rose Herbs, shout out. And I have some spearmint. That sounds good. Let's do this, it's ready. If you're wondering how long my hair is, it falls below my breath, below my breasts, and my goal this year is belly button length. So we got some inches to grow. Is it weird that I feel worse about using my food than my actual hair mask? I'm like, oh, I could eat that. And then my hair mask that I spend like $15 on, I'll use like half the bottle without caring. I love food. Ew, looks like someone vomited on my hair. So anyways, that was my DIY things I had in my house already. Hair mask. Honestly, I think that turned out not too bad. The smell is very unpleasant, but you know, the essential oils helped it out a little bit. Okay, let me wrap it up. Okay, so I'm gonna hang out with this on 20 to 30 minutes. Wash my hair out and I'm good to go.